Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best digital camera of 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading digital camera that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ZNIARAKL Underwater Camera. Let's dive right in. This camera is a powerhouse, boasting 4K video and 48MP image resolution. It captures your underwater adventures in stunning detail. With 16x digital zoom and autofocus, you won't miss a moment. Rated IP68, this camera can dive up to 11 feet underwater. Whether you're snorkeling, surfing, or swimming, it's your perfect aquatic companion. Plus, its built-in anti-shake function ensures your images stay smooth and stable. Lightweight and compact, this camera is ready to go wherever you do. It even comes with a drawstring pouch and a hand loop string, so it won't get lost at sea. The package includes a host of accessories, including 2 batteries, a USB cable, and more. Plus, it comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. In conclusion, that's the ZNIARAKL Underwater Camera, a compact, capable, and convenient choice for all your underwater photography needs. Number 4. The KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2, a rugged, waterproof, and shockproof digital camera. Let's jump right in. Firstly, the WPZ2 is not just any camera. It's waterproof up to 15M and shockproof up to 2M, perfect for all your adventures. Next, it offers Wi-Fi connectivity and 1080p Full HD video. Ideal for vloggers who need high-quality footage on the go. You can easily share your adventures with the world in stunning detail. Capture stunning photos with its 16MP BSI CMOS sensor and 4x optical zoom. With a rechargeable battery and a 2.7-inch LCD screen, this camera is user-friendly and ready for long shooting sessions. You can easily navigate through the settings and preview your shots on the bright and clear screen. Finally, it supports SD cards up to 32 GB. More than enough for all your photos and videos. In conclusion, that's the KODAK PIXPRO WPZ2, a versatile and robust camera that's ready to accompany you on any adventure. Number 3. The AKASO Brave 7LE Action Camera, a device that's been making waves in the vlogging community. Let's jump right in. Firstly, the Brave 7LE is not just any action camera. It's an all-weather action camera. Whether you're caught in a downpour, snowboarding down a mountain, or exploring the underwater world, this camera is designed to withstand it all. Its IPX7 water-resistant design ensures protection from rain, snow, and water splashing. Moving on, the Brave 7LE features a convenient dual-display design. This innovative feature allows you to switch between the back and front screens with ease. The vivid front screen is perfect for selfies, while the 2-inch back touchscreen offers an intuitive user experience. The Brave 7LE can capture your adventures in stunning 4K video and 20MP photos. Every detail of your adventure is preserved in high definition, ensuring you don't miss a thing. Shaky footage is a thing of the past with the Brave 7LE. Equipped with a 6-axis EIS, this camera provides gimbal-like stabilization, ensuring smooth and stable footage even in fast-moving scenarios. Lastly, the Brave 7LE comes packed with professional functions and free accessories. The digital zoom function and various shooting modes, such as time-lapse, burst photo, and fast motion, allow you to create footage beyond imagination. Plus, the included accessories of 2 rechargeable batteries, remote, waterproof housing, and multifunctional mounting kits expand your filming scenarios without breaking the bank. In conclusion, that's the AKASO Brave 7 LE, a versatile and robust action camera that's ready to accompany you on any adventure. Number 2. The OM System Olympus TG6 Red Underwater Camera, a must-have for underwater enthusiasts and macro photographers. This camera is a true adventurer's companion. It's waterproof up to 50 feet, dustproof, shockproof, crushproof, freeze-proof, and even anti-fog. It's built to withstand the elements and keep shooting. The high-resolution f2.0 lens, maximum 8x zoom, and back-illuminated CMOS image sensor ensure bright, clear images in any light. With 4 macro shooting modes and magnified shooting up to 1 cm from the lens, it's perfect for capturing the smallest details of your underwater adventures. It offers 5 underwater shooting modes, including an underwater microscope, and 3 underwater white balance modes, making it a versatile tool for all your underwater photography needs. Not only can you record 4K movies, but you can also capture full HD 120 frames per second high-speed movies. And with a battery life of approximately 340 images or 110 minutes of recording, you won't miss a moment. In conclusion, that's the OM System Olympus TG6 Red Underwater Camera. Whether you're diving into the deep sea or exploring the world of macro photography, this camera has got you covered. Number 1. The Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera, a real game-changer for all you content creators and vloggers out there. This camera boasts an ultra-wide 20mm lens that captures everything in the frame, even when you're vlogging at arm's length. It's perfect for those wide-angle shots and capturing expansive landscapes. The large 1-inch sensor and f2 lens make this camera a low-light champion. It also creates beautifully defocused backgrounds, adding a professional touch to your videos. With IAF and autofocus tracking technology, this camera ensures your subject stays in sharp focus, making your videos look more professional and engaging. The side-articulating touchscreen LCD makes composing selfie shots a breeze. You can easily frame your shots and check your composition on the go. The 3-capsule mic with a windscreen accessory ensures your voice comes through loud and clear, even in windy conditions. It's like having a professional sound setup in your pocket. In conclusion, that's the Sony ZV-1F Vlog Camera for you. Packed with features and designed with vloggers in mind, it's a top choice for anyone looking to up their content game. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.